Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI desktop tutorial. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the indexation columns and conditional columns within Power Query Editor. So I was gonna go to Power Query Editor, transform data, and for today's purpose, we're going to add a new data. All the data I already provide in the second lecture, so please the second lecture and practice with me. We're gonna add the sales data 2022. Open the data. We check all the data showing fine. So it's gonna do the same what we did with the others. So it's gonna do sales data 2022, rename, and we check the columns data type. And we check the columns header. The data type for the columns header, this is date, this is date, this is ABC, string, this is 1, 2, 3, this is a whole number, this is integer number, integer number. So the columns is okay. You have to rename and check the columns, the headers, column data type. Okay, so in today's lecture we have from add columns, we have two type of columns, index columns and conditional columns. Index columns, if you add, you start from 0 or 1. We can have custom, you can add any number you like. I'm going from start from 1. You will have index column in here. This indexation just 1 to 3 numerical data. Move it from here if you like, anywhere. Or there is another way. You can go from right click and then move to the beginning of so you have the indexation. But for this purpose, we don't need this indexation, so let's gonna delete it. And even when you delete it, the steps in here and the applied step is still. So if you check in here, you'll see if you're back within the additional with the applied step, you can see the indexation is not removed. So if you need to remove that, you have to also to remove the applied step that you did. So close from this one, close the other one, and then is already removed, and I'm back with the same data that we just input. We have conditional columns. This is where you set the new conditions based on your data. So this, I'm just gonna set the name. This is a quantity type. And then we have the column name. You have to select this is we have order quantity name. This is equal to value 1. If it's equal to value 1, then print is a single item. And else you can set the other condition. If this quality order quality is bigger, is greater than 1, then this is multiple. This is multiple items. And you can add another clause depend on your purpose, and you can set the else. You can set the else. So for me, if these conditions are not going to happen, give me this is other. So if I click now OK, I will have this a new columns called quantity type. And this column is depend on the order quantity. If it's order quality equal to 1, I have single item. If it's order quality equal to 2, I have multiple items. And if you click on here, we can say this is the error, list might be incompleted. This is because the Power Query Editor only take one data from the row, and you can give him load more. So we'll have all the data in here. And click OK. So you will have quantity type and depend on the order quality. And you come back to the home and close and apply, and then you will save all your data in here. So this is very straightforward and easy step. You're going step by step in this course. So please subscribe and leave me any comment, and see you in the next video. So thank you for watching.